This is Sam filming hedge jumping. Here's Joe. Hey Joe, can you film me while I do it?
Sure. Who is the best at the hedge jump? Sam! Tom! Who's next?
I need to beat them all. I'm not sure what to do though.
Now it's going to be Mick!
Yeah, give me my phone back.
Finally! Mick, on your side!